Matcha Slim Review. Boost your metabolism and enjoy your dream body shape. Matcha Slim is a new type of a natural drink with an organic formula for boosting metabolism and better fat burning. It comes in the form of a powder that should be dissolved into water. It is no surprise to anyone that the organic product's main active ingredient is matcha tea. The natural product is relatively new on the market in the times of writing this, but it has already gathered some fans. Many of them share their positive Matcha Slim opinions, believing it works better than regular matcha tea that can be found in supermarkets. The main reason for this is that the product formula has been enriched with many other natural ingredients that are beneficial for metabolic boost, fat burning, appetite control, and body shaping. So, would you like to learn more about Matcha Slim and how it could differ from regular matcha? Why do users believe it is worth to replace your cup of tea or coffee with the new organic drink? How does organic matcha extract work? Is it easy to get Matcha Slim at an affordable price? If you'd like to know, then we have it all covered. You just have to stay with us until the very end of our Matcha Slim review and find out. What is the history of matcha? Matcha tea originates from China, but it has first gained popularity in Japan back in the 12th century. It was brought to Japan by Zen monk Isai. It gradually became a traditional practice. It includes preparation, serving, drinking the hot tea while focusing on spirituality and meditation. During the centuries, it became a very important practice in Zen culture. Today, however, this is declining. But matcha has just been discovered by Western countries and it became a huge part of the well-being of many people. Some drink it simply because they like it. Others prefer it for weight control as they don't have to follow dangerous diets. This became the inspiration for the Matcha Slim organic drink as well. Matcha Slim, opinions, comments, and testimonials from users who enjoy the organic drink. The Matcha Slim opinions coming from users on healthy living forums are mainly positive. Many of them talk about the positive changes they noticed in their bodies since they started drinking it. Not only did it help their metabolic processes and general weight control, but some Matcha Slim opinions even mention feeling generally better. Why is this so? Because of the antioxidant abilities of the Matcha Slim formula. They are very powerful, even compared to other good antioxidants. And adding some more good quality ingredients, the manufacturer of the same name has given users a reason to share their Matcha Slim positive opinions. Our team also made a short summary of the Matcha Slim opinions that we thought were mostly mentioned by clients. Asterisk natural matcha formula for boosting metabolism and fat burning processes. Asterisk easier to reach your top shape when combined with exercise. Asterisk gives energy and power to go through busy days. Asterisk helps easier digestion and detox processes. Asterisk delicious taste and suitable for drinking every day. Asterisk easy to prepare. Asterisk affordable price when ordering via the official website. Asterisk no information on side effects or contraindications. What are the Matcha Slim ingredients? The basis of the Matcha Slim ingredients is, of course, matcha tea. However, it has been enriched with additional vitamins, minerals, and extracts. The full list can be found on the product packaging. We will just have a look at the main and active Matcha Slim ingredients. Users should also note that all of them come with an organic origin, which means there have been no chemicals used in their cultivation. Asterisk matcha tea. It is a type of powdered green tea made from special tea leaves, traditional for Japan. It is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet, boosting energy, metabolism, fat burning, and many more healthy body processes. It can also calm the mind and fight against stress and pressure. Balances blood sugar levels which aid in weight loss. Asterisk taurine. It is also a good antioxidant that enhances metabolic processes and makes the body feel more energetic. It also supports the immune and nervous systems. Asterisk lemon extract. It is rich in vitamin C, supporting the immune system, as well as metabolism and weight loss. It helps the detox processes and balances stomach flora and fauna. How to drink and prepare Matcha Slim. Instructions for use. The Matcha Slim instructions are very easy. In fact, this is the only thing where it does not differ much from regular matcha tea. To prepare Matcha Slim, users should do the following. 1. Put 1 teaspoon of the Matcha Slim powder into a cup. 2. Heat up some water and pour around 150 milliliters of it. 3. Stir well and enjoy it.